You also have the ability to add tables for points, lines, and polygons. Just like the label style manager, there's a label table style manager. So on the drafting tab, if you go to label table style manager and open up that dialog box, you'll see that there's a tab for line styles, point styles, and polygon styles. You can see for line styles, you can do a line and curve table. You can create another option as well. You can, just like you could with any of the other labels. You can then add the fields and set up the columns, so you can do length, slopes, delta, angle, tangent length, ground length, all kinds of different fields, and you can rearrange them into an order that you want. You can put a column text name as well as display the units. So down here you can see that you have a table and then you have the column name. You can control the border, the way it looks, as well as the text size and style. So if you want your text height to be smaller, you can come in here and adjust that as well, and even put a gap adjustment. Same thing with the point styles, same setup. You can create a different point style table as well as a polygon table. So it's going to pull and extract these values from the objects and place them into a table.